I used to think that your environment was not a big indicator on your success. That the most successful people of our generation were going to be successful regardless of friends or family. But today, after listening to countless podcasts, reading countless books, and talking to countless people, I now know that having a great support system will always do more good than it does harm. Welcome back to High Standard University. My name is Quincy Yoder, aka Q to Go, your soon-to-be favorite smart dumb guy. My mission here is to help you improve your life mentally, physically, financially, and emotionally. And that's exactly what I intend to do. So make sure you bust out your notes, grab some water. Let's talk about how to develop a great support system. First things first, let's understand that a support system is not just one big thing. It's about building connections in different areas to create a safety net that protects our well-being. Your support system can consist of various people. Let's break it down. Family and friends are your bedrock. They provide emotional support, love, and oftentimes they provide invaluable advice. These are the people that should know you inside and out. They respect your time and your goals, and they will do anything to help you out while also giving you a good time. Then on the other side, you have your self-care friends. I consider this to be people that we build connection with while taking care of ourselves. Think of your gym bro. Think about that person you always spar at the beginning of warm-ups. Think of your accountability partner. You're consistently helping each other to get better, and that's the foundation that your relationship is built on. Now it might grow to something else, but that's where it begins and that's where it strengthens. If you're looking for people that will support you in this way, we have a free accountability group for like-minded people that want to network, but more on that later. Then you have your mentors. Having mentors at your disposal can offer you great expertise on certain areas in your life. These connections can give you advice, career support, or even help you grow personally and professionally. I can't even tell you how many times a 9-to-5 mentor or even a life mentor has helped me grow in the past couple years. These are the people that shouldn't be afraid to give you a gut shot. They should be wiser and more experienced than you. And most importantly, choose the people that have the life that you want in the future. These are the people that are the hardest to add in your support system, but in my opinion, they are the most beneficial to you professionally and personally. Remember, building a support system takes time and effort. It's not about having a huge number of connections, it's about nurturing, supporting, and having great relationships. Building strong connections is about being there for people just as much as they're there for you. It's about showing up, listening, and offering advice without judgment. I know that you heard the phrase that you're the average of the 5 people you spend most time with. And for us young people that are ambitious, that have friends that, let's be real, aren't on the same path that we're on, this reality can seem kind of discouraging. Luckily, guys, I think I found a solution. My name is Quincy Holder, and if you're seeing this message, you're either a person that I see to have high standard potential or a person that I look up to extremely. And I want to cut to the chase. I'm looking for people that are on a mission to level up. People that are interested in connecting and networking with people on the same journey as them. I'm starting a free accountability group where we as a group will hold each other accountable for our goals and our word. Like that's in the gym, in your love life, or even your bank account. We're here to help you level up for absolutely free. Feel free to click the link in the description or scan the QR code here. This will send you to our Telegram orientation chats where we will go over rules and expectations for your future in the group. Thank you guys so much for your time, and I hope to see you on the other side. So you're probably asking me, Quincy, where can I find these type of people at in my life? Well, in terms of friends and family, I'll tell you not to think too hard about this one. Find people that simply make you happy. People that know you, care about you, and will be in your life no matter what stage you find yourself in. No, they do not have to be in the same profession. They don't even have to be on the same life path that you're on. As long as they provide a peaceful and loving environment, I say they fit the criteria. I personally think that self-care friends are harder to find because you personally have to put yourself in position to want to get better. Most of the time, I'm not going to lie to you guys, you're going to be hitting the gym solo for a good 3 months before you start getting respect of other gym members. You have to show them that you give a fuck before others start to give a fuck about your progress. But if you start to put in the work, I guarantee you people will start respecting you and you start gaining friends in this criteria. Watch, you're going to be lifting weights one day, and then that random guy that you've been seeing for the past 3 months is going to walk up to you and congratulate you on your work. And all of a sudden, boom, gym bro. Mentors are honestly, like I said, the most difficult, but they're so hard because they're so beneficial. My best advice for you if you're looking for somebody to be your mentor is don't be afraid to reach out to them. Contrary to popular belief, most successful older people would love to pass down their wisdom to the younger generation. You just have to be the one showing that you are putting in the work and you want to receive that message. Just keep going after them. Some will respond, some will not. But the key is never become an asking person. Don't be that person that's always asking for stuff from mentors but never giving them anything in return. Find a way to provide value for them rather than solving a problem for them, promoting their podcast, buying their book. Make it a win-win for both parties. Sometimes I know it can be challenging to find a good support system, and that's okay. Us as ambitious young adults, we find ourselves in a weird space where we're too good for our old friends, but we're not good enough to have new friends. If you're struggling with this aspect, consider seeking professional help. I'm talking therapists, counselors, support groups, hell, an accountability group. I know, shameless plug, but I'm serious. These avenues will help you navigate your challenges and struggles to help build your support system. Remember, it's not a sign of weakness to seek help. It's a sign of strength and knowing yourself. In conclusion, building a strong support system is about building a great network of people that will help lift you up during the ups and downs of life. If you build this list, cherish it, and nurture it, I have no doubt that it will give you the results that you deserve. Guys, thank you so much for watching the video to the end. I appreciate everybody watching this video to the end, and I'm gone. Peace out, guys.